In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Facebook ads. Connecting HubSpot to Facebook ads helps you capture leads from your campaigns, track ad performance alongside your CRM data, and simplify reporting. Before you start, make sure you're signed into HubSpot with permission to manage integrations and that you have access to the correct Facebook Business Manager and ad account. It also helps to disable pop-up blockers for this process. Begin in your HubSpot portal on the main dashboard. Look to the top right and click the settings gear icon. This takes you into the area where you can configure account level features and connections. From the settings page, swipe to find integrations in the navigation. This is the hub for bringing external tools into HubSpot so data can flow both ways. Open integrations, then head into connected apps. This page shows anything you've already connected and is also the jumping off point for adding new connections. Next, select Go to App Marketplace. The Marketplace is where HubSpot lists official and partner-built apps. Once it opens, use the search bar and type Facebook ads. In HubSpot, this integration is listed as Meta Ads, since Facebook ads is part of Meta's advertising platform. You'll see the Meta Ads listing appear in the results. Click the Meta Ads app to open its detail page. Here, you can review what the integration does, typical permissions it requests, and any notes about supported features like syncing leads from Facebook lead forms and attributing conversions back to your ads. It's a good moment to confirm it meets your needs and to double-check any prerequisites mentioned in the overview. When you're ready, click Install. HubSpot will guide you through a brief authorization flow. A window will prompt you to sign into your Facebook account, select the appropriate business manager, and choose the ad accounts and assets you want HubSpot to access, such as pages or pixels. Keep the recommended permissions enabled so HubSpot can read ad performance and capture leads correctly. If you manage multiple ad accounts, be careful to pick the one tied to your active campaigns. If you don't see the correct account, you may need admin access in Facebook Business Manager before proceeding. Confirm your selections, then finish the install to complete the connection. After installation, return to Connected Apps in HubSpot to confirm Meta Ads is listed and active. Initial data and lead syncing may take a short while to appear. If anything looks off, revisit the app's settings to verify the selected accounts and permissions. That's it. You've integrated HubSpot with Facebook ads and set the foundation for cleaner attribution and more effective campaign management.